Alrighty. Yeah. Alrighty. Wally here. We're back. We're gonna do some random RTA games. We have 14 days. Yeah, 14 days left of the season. So otherwise, time to have fun. Let's go ahead and just. So we're playing. We got first pick. Alright. So. Okay. Okay, Aola, Beline, so this guy's a cleaver. So Beline ban is always a cleaving. So let's just wait. So my first thing to against cleavers, so I like to play like Viola. So I like to just see if this guy will cleave. So this guy
I always
zero. So a good cleave option, a good anti-cleave option is to play Naval Captain Lady, and you play someone like Unbound Iola, right? For the mitigation. So the entire idea is to mitigate a lot of this damage, because Naval Captain Laney would just solo the team himself. So the idea is that since he's cleaving, he's playing Jacko, he's playing all that stuff. He's having to deal with the fact that his entire team is super reliant on getting the damage overall. So the entire idea is that you can kind of just you can probably play Karina here.
I'll win for sure.
And you can probably play something like you probably play something like Destina here, because Destina's a force ban, because they cannot kill. Yeah, you can play something like Destina here.
In the light's name.
And then, because now Destina is forced to be banned because he cannot kill her in time. Oh, I don't think even if she kills her, not forcing the Millennium to be alive is actually a lost position, and that's really bad. So the entire idea is I'm trying to think.
Do not interfere.
So Validity is actually not good, even if it's DPS Validity, because even for Validity, DPS Validity is not consistent, and that's just because he had pretty much no way to stop me, unless I basically hit like Mania.
I'll show you what the true.
But now his damage is going to be kind of cut by a lot, and then he's going to S2, it's going to cost an AoE, and, okay. But, look how many souls he has 40. So this is DPS Politis. If Politis had book here, so book and a book, it's
I am the rightful ruler.
So he's so bad to spell on buff. Okay.
No.
He gets it.
Alright, show me what you can do. I'll show you the path to victory. I'll take down anyone who interferes with me. Are you ready? Don't forget this feeling of defeat.
Okay. Oh, that's an Elvis.
Who was that? The goddess?
That's 21
the
domination.
ecstasy of fruitful blooming. I wish you could feel it too.
Oh,
My power. You want to see it? Don't worry.
I have zero seal.
The situation is critical.
Okay.
You do not understand. It's time for the finale of this little.
That's a 7,000 HP for this. That's actually big. Awesome.
I'll do my best.
So this guy has no HP.
Come on, we can do it. I expected this.
Okay.
It's fighting time. I got you. Bye-bye.
Let's see how much damage this will probably do. Oh, never mind. Now
How
he
should we do
resisted.
this?
Okay, if the defense broke happened here, he would have just died. Oh, that's unlucky. But he resisted it.
Are you
Unlucky.
going to provide some entertainment?
That's pretty unlucky because he
Allow
actually
me
got
to
the he actually
demonstrate.
got the thing right there. That's just unlucky. I can't go play. That's just really unlucky. All right, see Lydia's DDR. All right, we go Lila.
The stage belongs
I don't
to everyone.
know.
I'll start.
Okay, so he goes
So,
Lydia,
you learned
A
nothing
Taiwan.
from last time.
Lydia Taiwan I think is pretty actually shit. It's actually pretty garbage here, and that's just because A Taiwan is absolutely garbage into something like I don't know. You pick like Naval Captain Landy here, right? Because of what he's
Do
doing,
not
and
falter.
you pick someone with some form of immunity. So let's say we pick like Lost Rider Crow. Let's say we pick like Hand Guy here, right? This Hand Guy is probably the best one.
So, there's still filth to purge.
Because now, I mean, playing A Taiwan here is super early like this is weird. I have no debuffs. Okay, now he's playing like that, so you get to play like Shu here. You can even play Apoc Rocky, like for all intents and purposes. You can actually play Apoc Rocky because this team is so squishy. I'm guessing this is gonna be one person.
You name it,
Oh, okay,
I've got
Apoc
it.
Rocky.
Ah, how
Apoc Rocky is so strong
sensational.
here. And then I think you just pick a healer. So let's just pick like Shadow Knight Pillars. No, let's go for another injury. So we'll go for another injury here.
I'm always open to new opportunities.
And the idea is that whoever's banned last is lost because I have three DPSs. Melandy, I have 2 injury sources, so this LK gets cut off. This guy cannot do anything because I have
I
cleansing.
highly recommend step
And then yeah, so he'll try to skill 3, but the problem is that I'm just gonna overrun him as time goes on. And also because I have no debuff, right? So this A Taiwan here would never activate. He's probably trying to play around the fact that he can get the cleanse into a cleanse into another cleanse, but
I'll do my
I'm
best.
playing literally no debuff. So okay, let's see. So we have a 25% CO push. Okay, Shu would take the turn first, which is what I did.
Follow my rhythm.
But even though I might just get blinded here.
Never lose.
Whatever.
Just a moment.
Oh, never mind.
I'll be
It's
right
actually
with you.
a. No, that's a.
Oh, there's no need to thank me. Whenever, wherever.
I can cycle out of it. It
That's
doesn't
the
matter.
Lula Cabrums.
Like I said, I
Here.
know.
I'm right here.
Yeah,
I
no,
accept your
you'll
blood
get
as an
injured
offer.
slowly. Sure. Okay, nope, never
It
mind.
takes a lot of courage to challenge me.
He could. He could.
Who's bothering you?
Ow.
Such arrogance.
Okay, provoke.
I'll do what I
That's
can.
annoying.
Weapon system deploying now.
Run him through.
Okay, if we get a counter here, that'd be nice.
Oh, it's just like it's right here. This should be fun.
You lack discipline.
Yeah, now the injury's starting to stack. That's not good for him.
Need me to go easy on you?
Oh, there's no way.
What would you like to order?
I'll show you who's in charge.
Does he kill here? No, he doesn't. Does he just have no damage?
You've made it this far,
No. Oh, he pushes back.
but no further.
Okay.
Ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Let's just knock out the healer here.
Do not falter. It's showtime. All together. Let's see what you can do.
So yeah, the damage is starting to stack.
Never let anything stop me.
So he's gonna have to hit the S1 into the shoe again. That's gonna help us. So that sucks. He's gonna S1 into shoe again, which is actually really good for me.
Mercy
No,
is
no.
for the likes of you.
Back. These meatheads.
What do you have? It's already up. Okay.
Just as I planned. Victory is ours.
So now he's fucked because now this guy's screwed because this is a lot of damage. There goes there goes his healer. Uh-oh.
This way.
Ow.
The stage belongs to everyone. Find them.
Okay, there goes the healer. Now there's why this because he's actually one.
Sorry. Do my
Because
best.
what I can really do is I can cleanse it off.
Sweet jam.
I think cleansing off the debuff here on the A5 is pretty good. I mean, there's
Need
no
me to go
effect.
easy on you?
I'll probably S3, but now I don't have any AoE, so it'll just S1.
So, you learned nothing from last time.
But this A-Tai one is dead. He's gonna just get snapped in, and then I'll just kill him. So,
It's just everybody now. Stuff.
yeah, so A-Pipe Robbie is just too strong here. That's actually bad. A-Pipe Robbie,
Sweet joy.
just A-Pipe Robbie. So,
It's
if you guys are
showtime.
curious, what happened here is that he has no damage. So his damage is all around playing LK with A-Tai one here, and hoping that these three combo can basically do enough chip damage to kill A-Pipe Robbie. IAC doesn't counter, but the problem is that as one unit falls, each unit A-Pipe Robbie kind of gets stronger because A-Pipe Robbie has less and less things to do with. So like what we saw is that what we saw is she died, right? Like Luluka, Summer Break Luluka died, and after Summer Break, Ocean Breeze Luluka, not Summer Break, Ocean Breeze Luluka. Once she fell in the battle, A-Pipe Robbie kind of was able to start picking apart the team members one by one, and that's just because the idea is that A-Pipe Robbie basically is really hard to stop. If you're in counter set, every time you touch her, she has a chance to just counter and do more and more injury. So and since LK is kind of like the only source of damage, and he scales off HP, the injury here will start to stack and he'll start to lose control. So,
Come on, come at me.
anyways, back to your RTA. That was a good A-Pipe Robbie game. So like A-Pipe Robbie still, even though A-Pipe Robbie is not as strong in the meta currently, it's still pretty important to know that she's there. So you can't be drafting like that, basically. You can't be drafting like all tanks and hope you can survive it because of that. So this guy banned Lila Janua, so this guy might be a tank down player. So this is actually more of a tank down. So he's probably gonna pick it like he's gonna pick like Naval Captain Landy. This is gonna be a Naval Captain Landy.
Witness
Dio?
the power of the chosen one.
Well, now we're just gonna go on Naval Captain
Allow
Landy.
me to
And
demonstrate.
we just put Unbound Knight.
I made it in the nick of time.
See Lydia here, I think it's a terrible pick. And that's just because I would play someone like Ocean Breeze Ludica. DDR is also a terrible pick because I'll play Ocean Breeze Ludica.
Please follow my instructions.
Oh, Biblis? Biblis is a terrible pick. And that's just because Moana is still a thing, and Moana is really strong with Biblis. If you like Moana is insanely strong with Biblis. Which is actually kind of
I
funny.
won't run anymore.
When it comes to the debuff cleansing, let's go Ocean Breeze here actually. Yeah, let's go Ocean Breeze here. Yeah, let's go.
I'm a little busy over here.
And I think he's gonna play like
I don't want to do this.
Knockwa is
any more
really
than
bad
you
here.
do.
Because I would just pick Blind last pick and he can't do it. Well, actually, I would just play like I'll just play Abyssal Euphine here, and then he loses because Abyssal Euphine. I don't really care about this investigation here actually, because there's no damage. He's just activating my units, which is actually pretty hilarious. Volume's pretty bad.
I'll fight you.
I think we just pick a Abyssal Euphine here.
I don't even know anymore.
I don't know, I think my Abyssal Euphine might get one shot here, but do I really have a choice? No, oh, never mind, he doesn't ban it. Okay. Well, that's kind of weird.
Are you going to provide some entertainment?
Funny part, if I do get a counter here, it causes my entire team to CO push, which is actually be pretty funny. So,
Be afraid,
there's one Empress here, and we kind of awkward.
fear my judgment.
And there's always
Worry not. The doctor is
Oh,
here.
okay.
When this all runs its course, what will the damage be like? Do you smell
Oh,
that?
immunity! No one got
That's the
debuffed.
smell of
Uh-oh. What the hell? Oh crap. Whoa, sweet booty. No one got debuffed.
Everything is going to be all right.
I should really pull the weeds.
That's actually kind of funny. Nobody got debuffed. Oh, this might cause a counter. This cause a
I've
counter.
been waiting for you.
Oh, there is a counter. Okay. This is gonna go off.
Now you're only nutrients.
Bon voyage. What would you like to order? Behold! This is insane. Why am I so busy?
Soul Constellation.
never
I saw
enough
that.
time.
Should I warm up a little?
It's usually gonna. Oh, it's gonna go
Here
straight.
I
to my, Never gonna let it.
My most powerful strike!
Do not falter.
That's weird. What the hell? Why would you do that?
This is just the beginning.
Oh, let's just put up the
May
invincibility.
the light
I don't care.
Free you from despair.
Another trial to overcome.
And let's go. Yeah, we saw this as Soul Constellation.
Those
So
who
let's go
stray
for
from
you.
the path of righteousness
I know. I saw this as Soul
shall be
Constellation.
punished.
Oh, never mind. It's actually
Insects
distance
do
video.
love flowers.
Okay. Oh, that's fine. Whatever. I still have the brutality. I still have the thing, and it doesn't matter because anytime I get a counter, I'm just gonna kill. Oh, he missed. Oh, that's dumb. He actually missed, but he still gave me.
Your
that's-
emperor?
That's actually kind of funny. But
Go
I didn't know that.
Efficiency.
You should kneel back
And then
down.
kill. It's hilarious.
Life
It
or
actually
death.
sucks. You have to
Pick
get
your
good.
poison.
I'll just S1 into Biblis here. Actually, I wouldn't S1 into Biblis. I don't care about Biblis. Because Biblis, even though she heals, she's just causing the dual attack that I really want.
Just a moment. I'll be right with you.
So let's go do this.
Are you my
Nope,
next
Lanny
target?
didn't get the counter here. Oh, that's fine. I think I want to S1
You lack discipline.
into the into the depth dealer right here. Let's knock her off.
Deal with it.
Okay. Now any counter here would be death for him. Like he's down. He's screwed any counter here. But does depth dealer Ray have to think? No.
A true knight picks their battles wisely.
So let's go do this. Okay.
I'll show you what the true
He's still
vessel
blinded,
is
which is
capable
kind of funny.
of.
But I haven't Elvis yet, which is actually also pretty bad. There's an Elvis. Okay. Well, he's screwed. There he goes. That goes too.
Step back.
So this tells you how powerful Milady is into this type of stuff, because the problem is Milady also has really high attack. So Hua Young usually cannot get 100% full pen onto her, and so the issue about not having full pen against Milady is that Milady so if she doesn't get one shot here, so like looking back at the game, right? If for Hua Young here, if Hua Young does not one shot this Milady, his entire team here literally does like no damage. So the problem is that, or his entire team here just feeds Milady. So like Bilbis here would just S2 anytime Milady counters, and when the available cooldown, Bilbis would skill 2, skill 2 would do AoE to everyone, and the AoE counter attack, which means that Moana here, CO pushes AoE by 20% because that's 5% for each hit, and it'd be hilarious because it's a full heal along with a thing. Zio here has an additional S1, so whenever he S1 it also heals by 5%, so it also heals by 5, it heals by a little bit, and also Zio pushes by 5%. So that's just the funny part. So he has two people who really just loses to Moana. Hua Yin here has to one-shot the Milady here, or he doesn't one-shot the Milady, he just straight up loses. So that's just what happens. So you see what happens that eventually Milady just overtook the game. Like there's nothing he can do. That's just how it works.
I protect. That's what I do.
I mean, but so basically, like you have units like Milady, right? So Moonlight Milady, Naval Captain Milady, she is really good when you know how to play like a little bit slow or sluggish. She's that unit that you want to play sluggish in. She's really good if you can play slow. Let's see, this guy banned the line. Okay. Well, we're gonna be clean today, so we have to
Witness the power of the chosen one.
Don't worry, I'm
Auden here is really bad for him.
I think you'll regret this.
Because I still play Ron here.
Alright.
And I still
Show me
play
what you can
Jacko.
do.
Funny.
Because he's already committing, and I'm basically committing. So
You'd better stand down.
okay, he goes speed imprint. I go speed imprint. The problem is obviously what he's going to be doing here is he's going to be banning Zio. He cannot let Zio go through. He cannot let Jack go
I've made it this far. I won't lose.
Oh, he's going to try to play Zio trap here.
I never miss my target.
That'll be it. I wonder if I can be kind of funny today and play Open and Mildred. Who the heck? Do I have another speed imprint here? No, I do not. I do have Pirate Captain Bond though. Pirate Captain Bond is already my fastest. Who the hell? We can play Lila here, we can play Deep a little bit, no matter how many debuffs he has. Yeah, we can play Deep a little bit. Yeah, let's play this on a little bit.
What a hassle.
Because what we can really do is kind of something kind of fancy. Which is, you know, ban the speed imprint here. Well, actually, we don't have to ban the speed imprint. because we can ban her. Even if they take the turn, deload it, we'll take the thing here. Which is
Leave it to me.
So this is like a lot of that's a lot of stealth though. Yeah, I don't think we have to ban the speed infant here. This is actually kind of funny. We actually don't have to ban the speed infant here. Yeah, because what I'm thinking is that he gets a debuff here. She gets a debuff, right? And then he gets to explode a bomb. But the problem is that D-Little gets a CO push into the game, and D-Little probably just knock one of these two out, right? So that's the problem. Is that I feel like what happens here is that he's just gonna lose control to a design a little bit setup, but that's just me. Who knows? Because he can't bomb Ron because he has to hit. So.
Are you going to provide some entertainment?
Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. So it's gonna CO push that the Eligos, which is who cares?
Those who deny their fate must suffer the consequences.
Get rid of them.
Yeah, if you want to CO push the Eligos. But I think this is a
It's unfortunate, but
okay, who cares?
you need to disappear.
It's gonna put a debuff. That's
There's
one.
no way around it. We're fighting.
Because what I think here is that what I'm thinking here is that he can't actually stop me.
I'll do whatever I have to. For a better tomorrow.
No. Okay.
Prepare
Oh,
for battle,
he's
everyone.
screwed. Dude, that's a lot of debuffs.
Come on. You don't want this.
Oh damn.
You'll be dealt with by the law.
That actually didn't get enough debuffs. If he took the target there, he would have been screwed. Oh, that's unlikely.
I should just
I would have just CO
try a
pushed.
bit harder.
Unlucky. I think I
For
lose.
Felicia.
Yeah, but because the idea here is that he has target plus defense break. I was actually pretty unlucky he didn't get that. He didn't get one of them. Because what happened is that you saw my design literally had 2 fighting spirit. If she got it, it would have been known. So what happened is that the little would CO push there, and then since the little bit CO pushed, it would CO push him, right? And CO push him, and by CO pushing him, it will cause me to go to S3, and then S3 will allow me watch Shuri to one-shot the landing, and then the entire team will combo from there. The entire team can't deal with the damage that I get to output. It's actually a very interesting strategy. It just didn't work. It didn't work because of 150%. That's actually kind of funny. Well, this guy Moonlight Poly favors Lytica, so let's play Lila here. Because
The
Favorite
stage
Lytica is
belongs
actually
to
pretty great.
everyone.
Lila.
I'll make you taste
See, Lydia's
despair.
here. Okay. Let's see.
These meatheads.
Oh, he does go down. But I get to go. I'm gonna go Biscuit here. And go Moana. Actually, I'll go Ocean Beach first. I want to see what he does.
You name it, I've got it.
Let's carry out my plan.
Okay, he goes that unit. That's annoying. But I'll go Moana. I don't care. And I'll go Moana last. I think it's much better just to be waiting here. Oh no, mine. That's a Moana instant pick.
You're not dead yet?
Yeah, that's a force Moana.
This is just the beginning.
Yeah, we're gonna put the pressure on him. He has no cleansing. What the fuck?
It will end.
He has no
with the
cleansing.
passing of a moment.
Do you smell that? That's the smell of death.
Is he crazy? He has no cleansing. Huh. So I think my light is gonna get one shot, which is actually pretty sad, but yeah, whatever. I don't care.
Come, I'll take your life.
Not unless he has 3 S2 here, and then I might be able just to debuff the thing.
Give all that you have for the glory of Perland.
Oh,
Obey
that
if you
sucks.
wish to live.
Oh, that sucks.
I'll make you kneel before me.
Just a moment. I'll be right. Here's one on the house.
Okay, let's see. If I debuff the
Hey you!
oh, wait,
Watch
not
out!
the Lightheart. If I debuff the
tried
Midnight
to warn
Gallery,
them.
Politely
okay.
get out of my
I
sight,
didn't debuff. That's fine.
loser.
But the entire team's blinded and stuff.
Those who chase pipe dreams usually meet a bitter end. I'll give you your orders.
Okay.
Oh, you'll make an
Oh,
excellent
he actually
specimen.
can't. He can't even use CO3. Uh oh.
Do not falter. Bend.
You want it free?
Feel my sword. The time has come. Go, Kyla. Unconditional loyalty. It feels amazing.
Okay.
What would you like to order?
Worry not. The doctor is in. The dark shroud of death is coming over.
We're gonna debuff here.
I hope you find it comfortable.
Oh,
You'll
Oh,
make an
no.
excellent specimen.
Uh-oh,
A patient in need of treatment.
Allow me.
This is a random resistance voice. So,
Come.
wow, he
I'll
actually
take
has
your
not
life.
caused a single
This is
death.
it.
I'll cover you.
Don't come any
What
closer.
is going on? He actually hasn't. He actually hasn't dealt with it, and I haven't opened.
Life or death. Pick your poison.
I actually
I'll
lose.
make
I
you
actually haven't
taste
opened
despair.
at all. Wow. This actually grenade is pretty useless if he doesn't know this. I actually haven't opened this. Okay,
I won't run anymore.
that's actually pretty funny. I can't be bad. Like I mean, it's just a game. Oh Jesus. But that's pretty funny. He gets first pick. That's annoying as hell, but sure. He's gonna pick like this guy. I think it's the same person. So he's gonna ban Blind. He's gonna ban Aelin here. Oh my god. Okay, we'll deal with this BS.
You dare defy?
As long as I have something to protect, I will. You lack discipline.
Okay, we're playing this. We're playing more aggressively. I'm gonna play more aggressively with this guy.
Get ready.
I'll take down anyone who interferes with me.
I made it in the nick of time.
Is it my time to shine?
So he's playing Politis. So I know this is DPS. It's always DPS Politis. They don't play normal DPS. They don't play normal Politis. Come on. Nobody plays normal Politis.
I hear your heartbeat. Step back.
show you what the true vessel is capable
I'm only
of.
gonna get 20% CO push here, but that's annoying. Actually, unless he touched the design
I
a little
am the
bit, because she
rightful ruler
has
of this land.
what do you call it? What's the other defense?
Kneel
She has
before
that
me.
CO.
You're not going anywhere.
I always give my all.
She has a CO pushing out the back, but I think it's pretty funny.
Shall I get serious now?
Where is my CO for? Where is my design a little bit here?
Alright.
Oh, she's in front
Show me
now.
what you can do. If you were to step back, I'll slash your
Oh, he
justice
missed.
in
That's not
two.
good for him.
I'm so thirsty lately.
He's gonna probably one-shot design a little bit here, since I don't really care.
My leaves are quivering.
Oh wait, I figured this puts the thing on it.
I fight with the power of all.
The situation is critical.
Do I have S3? I do have S3. Alright, perfect. So I get to stun the Zio here, which I think is nice. Oh, she's dead.
Bon voyage.
Another trial to overcome.
So I'm just gonna stun the Zio here.
The weight of the oath I've
That's the
taken
only DPS I have to worry about.
will be brought down upon you.
Would you like to feel what I'm feeling?
He has S1, but who cares? Alright.
How should we do this? Together.
I've been waiting.
We still have hope.
I'm just gonna S3 this
It'll
guy right
all
straight
be
out.
over
Just knock
in
him
the
out.
blink of an eye.
This is gonna kill. This is a lot of damage. Yeah.
These meatheads.
And then she's dead too. Yeah. Yeah.
No one to flatter me.
No, you can't clean me like this again.
Everyone's
Come
hard
on,
work.
man. Like, come on.
Allow
I know.
me to demonstrate.
Like, I'm supposed to have a D little bit got cut there, but she didn't get cut. Oh my god. That was a terrible situation. I would have S2'd into another S2, into another S3, and just one-shot the papers, one-shot the designer a little bit straight out. That is disgusting. That's a lot of damage, my god. That's a lot. So there's no GDO, no General.
Obey if you wish to live.
Well, let's go Lila here. And let's
Do
go,
my best.
let's go Zio. I'm curious what he's gonna do.
Are you going to provide some entertainment?
If he goes Naval Captain Landy and stuff, I will go Knockball, right? And then it will become a
Do not falter.
yeah, it goes Knockball. I'll go Knockball. Knockball, and I'll play Ron and stuff. So I'll start cleaving.
Battle separation.
You know who I am, don't you?
I think we played Leaf here actually. We played Leaf here.
What a waste of time.
Okay. Albedo is not good here. Albedo is not good here. And that's just because I'm playing in such a way where I'm
Enemies
really not
approaching.
caring about the crits. Alright, then we play something like we play a debuffer here, so we play Theola.
Careful, please move aside.
Yeah, that's what I thought. And his entire team might just start getting control here. So I would S3.
Dare defy me?
I'll S3 here.
Your emperor? Be afraid, sinner. Fear me. judgment.
It's
And I won't
showtime right
run.
here.
I got you.
Oh, that's a counter. Oh, never mind. That's an AoE counter, so I could.
Follow the
Yeah.
light of truth. Well,
Oh.
I'm left with no
He's
choice.
screwed. So that's 2 debuffs. I'm not going to debuff the Albedo here, but I don't really care. That's not my
Learn
goal.
your place.
Oh, never mind. My goal is I didn't get a debuff that I wanted.
Feel my
Never mind.
sword.
I got a silence. Great. That's helpful.
Focus.
Get ready, everyone. It's time to move.
That's helpful, bro.
I'm ready.
Oh, he's dead. I'll just soul burn the S1 here.
I won't stand down.
Oh, he resisted it. Oh, that's crazy. What?
The stage belongs to everyone. All together.
You're giving me a headache. Get out of my sight.
I think this queen is dead here.
I'll take care of it myself.
Oh no, not if I didn't get the restrict.
You keep swarming.
The frostbite. That's annoying.
You'll only prolong the pain.
Oh, she's dead. Never mind. She's still
Taste
dead.
despair.
That's crazy.
The time has come.
Here I come.
Okay, resistance. Nice.
Are you ready? I can
Oh,
hear
I'm just
them.
gonna cleanse it off. So. I didn't get debuff yet as a Lila. Oh, I didn't even get debuff in the first place. Oh, damn. Okay. I think this guy lost. I'm fine.
Well, I'm left with no choice.
Oh, it's just like a dream.
Seal pusher.
Come on, we can do it.
What a waste of time.
Get behind me.
He's gonna ask. He has to S1 into Aola, right? Oh, never mind. It's good.
Come,
Well, that
I'll
guy
take
is
your
dead.
life.
So.
This is it.
Do my best.
Do I think this will do 19,000 damage? Yeah, probably.
Performing
Yeah,
with all of
I think
you
I'm pretty sure he lost
sweet,
because Lila
sweet
did
joy.
19,000 damage, one shot to Senya, and I one shot the damage just because the game of time. Because Albedo cannot win, right? So this is the thing. So here's the lesson for Albedo. So Albedo is a really strong unit if you're playing two cleave. So the problem right here is that let's go look at the game
I'll
again.
show you what the true vessel
So
is capable
the problem
of.
here is that the lesson for Albedo is that Albedo is not really good into this game. So the problem is that Albedo's entire passive relies on the fact that that your opponent crits. So let's see how many crits I have. This unit doesn't crit. This unit has crit, but he got taken out early. This unit doesn't crit. This unit doesn't crit. So like he has a 20% damage reduction from a crit for no absolute insane reason. Like that's the problem. She's cool as a unit, but she doesn't do anything if her passive doesn't activate. So, or her passive doesn't do anything. So the problem is what she really did was she just fed Aola. That's all she did. She just fed Aola some damage. So the Sea Lilies is also pretty much useless because Sea Lilies actually can deal with the leaf here. So it just became a matter of time. Like I would slowly and surely wait, and then once I get the soul burn for Leafy again, I would soul burn the Leafy, right? And then I would S2, S3, and I would just knock her out. Like it's just like that. But yeah. Otherwise, this has been a good day so far.
Careful.
If you enjoy
Please
watching,
emphasize.
please and if you have any other questions, like regarding RTA, regarding how to play, like Koala here, we specialize in tank down. So if you have any questions regarding tank down, you have any questions regarding how to play like a little bit more aggressively, so play into anti-cleave. Oh, don't be afraid to ask. If you send it like in a comment, Crawler will probably notice like once a week, and then well, I'll go out there and I will explain to you. Anyways, thank you for watching, and good luck on your last 2 weeks of the grind.